Galileo was told mathematics is the language in which God has written the universe. Today my question to viewers, is Galileo was right in this time? Hello guys, welcome back my new channel. Today I am going to discuss about Euler formula. E to the power ix equal to cos x plus I sin x, which is discovered by Leonardo Euler. In special case, the name is Euler identity. This is most elegant formula which is useful in all civilization. E is known as Euler number and used in Euler formula. E equal to 2.718 going on. So what is this? Let's begin. We can generate a function e to the power x for various value of x. This is the very famous function which is different area theoretical mathematics and applied mathematics is used. If you study physics or engineering or population biology or computation or finance, you are going to come across this quantity e to the power x. This is a function which goes up to infinity really very fast for positive value of x, and for negative value of s it is interesting arbitrarily close to 0, but it never becomes 0. E to the power x is very positive and strictly increasing function. This is the derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. This is the short bit, little bit of e to the power x. Now, e equal to e to the power 1. If you want to make more general, then infinite series changes e to the power x, and e to the power x equal to 1 plus x over 1 factorial plus x square over 2 factorial plus x cube over 3 factorial plus so on. And the trigonometric series sin x cos x also calculate by infinite series. The series sin x each term keep alternative between plus and minus, and cos x also same, but the difference between sin x and cos x, sin x begin from x, cos x begin from 1. Each term of sin x is odd, each term of cos x is even. This is the graph of sin x, this is the graph of cos x. If you add cosine and sine series together, is that the given Euler's number? Well, unfortunately not. Why? Just think. This is the problem, because positive and negative here both, but in Euler's both are positive. The problem is when we square the number, result is positive. Now we need a number when square equal to -1. The problem is such number does not exist. But in mathematics there is nothing which cannot exist. Actually math is a science of number. So imaginary number I was born. In calculator this gives no value. I square gives the negative value -1. What happened? If we take e to the power ix, the Euler number e to the power ix will be 1 plus ix to the ix over 1 factorial plus ix whole square over 2 factorial plus ix whole cube over 3 factorial plus ix whole to the power 4 over 4 factorial, where I equal to square root of minus 1. If you remove the bracket, this will be 1 plus ix over 1 factorial and this will be I square. What is I square? I square equal to minus 1. So it will be minus x square over 2 factorial, and I cube equal to I square times I equal to minus I. This will be minus I x cube over 3 factorial. I to the power 4 equal to I square times I square, which will be 1. This is the x to the power 4 plus 4 factorial plus so on, so on, so on. Now, let's highlight the real term in black and the imaginary term in red. And the red term will be the cosine series and the black term will be cosine series and the red term is the sine series. Now, the Euler's e to the power ix will be cos x plus I sin x, which I mentioned before. This is the Euler's formula, and in special case this is called Euler's identity. When x equal to pi, we know cos pi equal to minus 1, sin pi equal to 0. Okay. See and just think this formula. See you soon. Take care. Bye.